54, shipping, handling, 0, etc., etc. 54.75. Delivered today. Paid 54 for this fan. This is the unboxing of the fan. It came by UPS. Is that a beauty or what? See? The hub is pressed in. The hub and the fan, 54. Online and from the local HVAC, it wants $70 without a pressed hub. Well, this is what he charged me at the HVAC shop. 7012. Charged me $59 for the fan, and then an add-on hub, which I don't like because there are 3 screws instead of being pressed in. Screws can get loose, and then the fan can wobble. 7012.